Is how to change your Facebook password. So first of all, open up Facebook app and then you should proceed to main menu. In the bottom right corner of the screen, if you use iPhone iOS devices, you will see three little dots, so tap on it. If you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now all settings and steps are the same. You just can tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you not see the specific gear icon, you just scroll all the way down. In very bottom you will see a settings and privacy option. Proceed to it and then tap on settings. Alright, once you're here, you will see first option account center. Tap on it. Then you will see under account settings, password and security. Tap on it. Then select first option, change password. Select of course Facebook, and here you just enter your current password and 2 times new password over here and over here, and then just tap on change password in very bottom.